Snack time, my lovelies. Snack as a stack. How quickly are you gonna work through the layers, huh? Gonna rip it apart, and I put the softer ones, easier to rip apart ones on top. You're gonna get down to the pea. How quick are you gonna get down to the peas, huh? What do you think? What do you think? Making good progress already. That's right, Benny, you are. Yeah. Hi, Benny. Yeah. And the rest of the girls all too. Yeah. Good munching, Priscilla. Yep. And who do we got as queen of the pile right now? Oh, guess what's on top? With chicken butt as a close second. Abandoning her post only for Benny to take the lead on top. Yeah, the marvelous, beautiful Benny. Yeah, yeah, you're all beautiful. Look at you glowing in the sunshine. Yeah. Oh, there's a nice chunk ripped off. You're gonna get the pile down to ground level in no time. Okay. Enjoy your snacks.